So welcome to day 2 here at SMT AI. It's been a very busy couple of days and quite an interesting week. The technical conference here has been extremely well supported. Lots and lots of papers on LTS and certainly it's been a very successful show by all accounts. My first guest this afternoon is Keith Howell from Nihon Superior. Good to see you again, Keith.
Good seeing you, Trevor.
Okay. And just as we're talking about low temperature solders, I mean, that's essentially what you're highlighting here this week.
Of course, because as you mentioned, the conference is full of research and papers on low temperature solders. Mm-hmm. And of course, we have an answer for that with our TIMsafe series of low temperature solders.
TIMsafe?
TIMsafe, yes.
Okay. So, all right. So, and I believe you've got 2 varieties of it.
Correct. We have a eutectic, which we call B58, which is just a eutectic because we're seeing a lot of use for the eutectic with LEDs.
Okay.
The LED market is really taken off in Asia mm-hmm. for wanting low temperature solder for LEDs.
It seems a little bit of an oxymoron because the LED market or LED assemblies are very well known for carrying a lot of heat.
A lot of heat, but yes, but the heat they can take it away, and they're looking for I don't want to say, but a low-cost option. But all the LTS low temperature solders provide lower energy and also the lower cost material cost.
Right, so. right, okay. And what's the second option you have?
The second option is what we call B37. Mm-hmm. It's 37% bismuth, so it has lower bismuth. And what that does for it, and also it's been modified with some dopants, or as some people call it, what do you call it?
Pixie dust.
Pixie dust, yes. So, yeah. But it's been because the lower bismuth has better impact.
Okay. So
for those applications, general applications that require just not it requires high strength, but yet ductility in the joint.
Right, so. Right. So you would say that one would be used for the more the higher reliability applications, and then the other one would be used for the ones that are looking for more cost. Driven
exactly. Yes, you are correct on that.
Uh-huh. So. Okay, good. And now I know you've been developing these for a couple of years now. Are they now available on the market and ready to ship?
Yes, yeah, we are shipping both the materials to and the volumes are growing rapidly. That's
good news.
And that's what we're seeing is the high interest in low temperature, and I think that's, as we mentioned earlier, the conference, I think you see the number of papers that were regarding low temperature.
It's a very topical subject at the moment, for sure. Yeah, great. Good. Well, Apex is just a couple of months away. Anything new coming up for that?
We are going to focus on, of course, low temperature once again, but yes, we probably will be focusing on high performance or high reliability. Some people call it high reliability, but it's more improvements to SAC 305.
Okay.
That's what, so we've got our LFC2 alloy right now, and so we're working on that to maybe modify that farther. So.
Right, okay. And has anything ever happened with, I mean, I know the patent's expired now in SN100C, but I mean, have you continued to develop that platform at all, or is it
it's pretty stable. We see a lot of replacement on SAC 305 with it, but we also have worked to improve for the reflow process with SN100CV, which has a little bit of bismuth added for the solid solution strengthening. Yeah. And so we're seeing that really replace a lot of SAC 305 in reflow processes.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Well, it's always nice to catch up, and certainly we'll look out for anything new that you have coming up at Apex or beyond.
Looking forward to seeing you at Apex.
Yeah. Great. So thank you for coming in today.
Thank you.
Okay. Coming up after the break, we're going to be interviewing our next guest from Avon Incorporated.
Expand your inspection capabilities. The Mertec MV6 comes fitted with a best-in-class high-performance 18-megapixel camera. This provides inspection in 5 directions using top-down and 4 angled cameras simultaneously, finding defects that a single camera can't detect, such as OCR and QFN solder bridges.